Hey guys, we are checking out some of our new friends here. Hey. Oh man, look at that guy, he's so big. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Yep.
So today we are coming to you in 4K in all its glory. I can't say.
We're coming to you in 4K in all its glory.
Yeah, I'm having trouble spitting that out. So we're using the GoPros today and I'm using my phone. I've never done a video completely in 4K, and so if you have the right setup and you can kick up the quality, go ahead and check it out. We're going to do it on like our Apple TV later and just see how that looks. But yeah, so today is a random Tuesday. And when I mean random, I'm talking about the weather, and it was, what, like 40s a couple days ago?
And rainy.
And all of a sudden out of nowhere, England just decided to give us a 70-degree weather day.
Yeah, and like, sun.
Super sunny. So Chelsea was looking at the forecast a couple days ago and asked for me to take off work, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. Let's go hang out. And then it's a tradition too with the mustache, where the last couple of years we've done something like we've gone to the coast, and then I forgot where we went last year, or did we?
No, last year we were like full lockdown.
Full lockdown, so we didn't go anywhere. But got to get out and before I shave this mustache off, and you know, just go do something fun. So yeah. Chelsea found a cool park that we're gonna go check out, and they have some cows.
We think there's Highland Cows, unless they moved them, but I kind of did some research and I think they're still there, so we're gonna go see if they are. Check
it out. Yeah, she's been like stalking the Instagram, and then a lot of our friends have been checking it out and you know, seeing their pictures and stuff. We're like, that'd be really cool. So we really want to go to Scotland before we leave here and get up to the Highlands and see like the actual like
Highland Cows. Yeah,
Highland Cows in their environment up there.
They're natural. What am I thinking of? Their natural habitat.
Yes. So we're gonna do that. Also, we've been feeling like we left Porter out, so I hooked him up with our older GoPro, and we got Porter Cam going. We're gonna try the jogging stroller with him that we haven't tried yet. We've just been waiting for him to get big enough to, you know, be able to ride in there. And
it'll be good for like the terrain, like dirt paths and.
Yeah, just easier to get around, and then definitely use that on the trails back behind the house too. So hopefully he likes it. I think he's gonna enjoy just being able to sit up front and look at all the cows. So I don't know what else they got. It looks like they got some nature trails, but we're just gonna make a day of it. We're gonna go outside, soak up all the sun.
Yeah.
And then it looks like the weather's actually calling for some snow or like winter mix next week. So it's so bizarre this week.
I hope it just changes, because it said tomorrow was gonna be chilly, and then now it's like 72 tomorrow. So
yeah, we'll see. I don't know. But stick with us, and we'll show you everything that we see at this park. And if it's a good one, maybe we'll be back again on another sunny day.
Yes.
So, okay, we are on the trail. It was super easy to find. Chelsea was navigating for us, and there's just a small little car park right off the road. They had a cool coffee shack too. I don't think they were open.
No, they were. There's people in there.
Oh, okay. So it was like a little trailer they just do coffee out of. So we're kind of winging it. There were a couple maps showing the trails, but we think we're on the right trail to head to the Highland Cows.
Yeah, check back with us in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, right.
We're lost.
Yeah, we'll have to send out a distress call, but it's awesome. It's neat seeing so many people out too, so you can tell a lot of people are taking advantage of the weather like we are. I mean, check it out. Shorts, t-shirts. Well, Chelsea's in leggings.
I have a t-shirt on.
Yeah, but super sunny, blue skies all behind us. Porter is in his jogging stroller, so we'll show you that real quick. I had a camera set up, so we'll show you some more Porter Cam. But this one we got from somebody that was PCSing.
Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, it's a good find.
Oh my goodness, yes, this is like a expensive stroller. I think it's like probably 5 or 6 years old.
Yeah, they had it in Arizona, I think, but it's holding the bag, and he's trying to get comfortable right now. But I like the 3 wheels on there. He's just so excited to see some cows. Can't contain the excitement. Yeah, Porter was getting a little moody. I think he was just not liking the view from his stroller. As soon as we pulled him out, he started laughing.
Yeah, he's like, happy now.
Just want to be with you guys. Yeah.
Well, he just doesn't want to film.
There's a lot of people trying to do some bird watching, and when he's screaming, I don't think he's making any friends out here. What do you think of all the sunshine, huh? Is that nice? Is that a pretty day? Yeah. It's windy, but it's warm. We gotta get you some cool baby Ray-Bans. Yeah. Chelsea lost a sweatshirt too.
Yeah. Some crazy hair.
All right, I think cows are just ahead. We're gonna keep going and see if we can get up close.
Hi.
Whoa!
What are you doing?
Check it out. We found them. That was super easy.
Hi,
Really
Porter.
pretty. Do you see the cows? He's just squeezing my cheek. He's interested. Yeah, look at him. We're gonna go see him in Scotland one day. Oh man, look at that guy. He's so big. Yeah. So we got this awesome fancy stroller for Porter, but he prefers to be held.
It's freaking heavy.
So we're gonna try it again and see. You gotta get used to this. This is for the trail. I can't be carrying you around everywhere. Yeah.
Oh no. I left my phone in there. Now he is gonna get pissed.
Oh no. Hey. There you go. All right. Trick is just keep moving, I guess.
Yeah.
I keep saying too that it's nice to find these places that are close to the house. This is only 30 minutes away. We've never been. So it was nice to be able to get out and explore, but I just can't get over the sun that we're having. I'm like actually hot.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is like Chelsea's favorite kind of day. Like there's clouds in the sky now, but just really warm.
Yeah.
Just be outside.
I love it.
I don't think I've been hot in a while. Like we still have blankets on our couch downstairs and it's gonna be 40s next week. So it's just like a little taste of summer. So
Yes.
just neat seeing everything super green and I don't know. And then Porter crying just really sets the mood.
He's also sleepy.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna keep going though. This trail, like there's all kinds of trails. So we're just gonna go loop around the cows and then see if we can get into like some shaded area, maybe grab a bite.
Yeah, peanut butter and jelly.
Man, this stroller is awesome though. It's just like killing this trail. Yeah. You don't like your new ride? All right, we'll get back to you guys. I just walked back to show you the cows again. Get another shot while Porter was eating. We just downed like 2 pouches of
Yeah, well, I
carrots
gave
and
him
something?
one, a carrot and mango one, and he was still hungry, so I gave him an applesauce. He usually doesn't eat like a big lunch, but I guess he does now.
all the fresh air really like got him hungry.
Yeah.
So I'm grabbing a sandwich. Porter hasn't tried Chelsea's peanut butter and jelly yet, but
Yeah, we're gonna wait a little bit.
we're gonna wait a little bit.
We're gonna wait till we're at home to try peanut butter.
Yeah, it's gonna be too much of a mess out here, but I'll eat it for you. What'd you think of the cows? Hmm? That's a little too close.
Porter now says Dada.
Oh yeah, that was really exciting. We've got some video. I'm gonna see. Maybe I can put it up on this. I think she has it saved on her phone. We can show you like a little clip from when Chelsea was reading them a book the other day. Yeah.
I think he dropped some in the car seat earlier. Might have caught that.
Yeah. Hey.
Who is that?
Oh, he's eyeing the peanut butter
He
and
wants
jelly.
the food.
One day. I'm looking forward to not sharing food with you. Just kidding. I wonder if he's gonna be one of those kids that doesn't want crust. I always love the crust.
I love the crust too.
Yeah. Never had to worry about cutting them off. Hey. Man, we have got to get you a hat and some sunglasses.
Sunglasses are on the way. I ordered them.
Oh, nice. Did you get the swimming goggle kind?
No.
Like strap around his head, or
No.
she's gonna pull them off all the time? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think of the trail? Yeah, pretty exciting. Not as exciting as Mom's water bottle. Yeah. Oh man, I think Chelsea just wants to stay out here all day. You gonna get
We'll go home and sit in the front yard.
get some tan?
Oh, I need some. I feel like I've been pale for 3 years straight.
She's coming out of her cave. Yeah. All right, we'll finish the sandwiches and then keep going. Porter was scaring away all the animals here on our nice nature hike, so I don't think he's feeling the stroller right now. I keep trying, but he can't get comfortable, so maybe he's got to get a little bit bigger. But I don't mind carrying him. Yeah, we're not going to see any deer on this trail if he starts screaming. Sounding like some monkeys. Yeah. So Chelsea's just pushing a empty stroller for us. Yeah. Is that how you get a free lift? Yeah. Ooh, smells like applesauce. Came up on a small little pond, seen some bullfrogs. Let me see if I can get a good shot for you guys. Yeah, did you see the frog? Oh man. Make some good dinner for a hike. Yeah, look at him go. All right, I also see a goose. Yeah, let's go check out the goose. See the goose? Yeah, look at the goose.
I think we found a position that Porter's happy in.
All else fails, just throw them on your shoulders. Whoa.
As I lose the,
Hi.
my eyes look crazy, sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Where are you going?
Oh. So that's the end of the trail. We are headed back to the car. The last bit was really cool. There's a lot of water. Chelsea got a good shot of a swan chasing a goose there. I'll show you that real quick.
They're playing Duck, Duck, Goose.
Go away, goose. Swan is mean.
Hey.
They must have some eggs nearby.
Yeah. Porter. We never said where we were. We're at Lynford.
Yeah, I don't know.
We don't know how to say the second word. But we'll put it on the screen, right? Here.
Right on the bottom there?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't want to embarrass myself and then everyone in the comments is like, that's not how you say it.
We're
So,
just at a really cool park right by our house on a sunny day.
yeah, it's beautiful. Such nice trails.
What'd you think of all that sun? Man, we saw tons of wildlife today too. Yeah. I think
And
little
Porter's
man's,
past his nap time.
yeah. Time to go home. We gotta do some yard work. There's lots of beer to drink. It's not gonna drink itself. Yeah, we gotta work on that. Whoa. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Whew, that was a full day. Back of the house, Porter's enjoying some liquid dinner there. I just got the lawn done. You gotta check it out. It looks awesome. But yeah, just thankful for the sunshine, and I'm zapped. Like just walking around looking at
Early
all this
bedtime tonight.
Yeah, I think we're gonna sleep pretty good today. But thanks so much for watching this video. Just something random. Wanted to show you that we're getting out, taking advantage of the weather.
Because we're still, guess what?
Lockdown. Yeah, story of our life. But
It's ending soon.
yeah,
Well, ish.
yeah. Now we can meet up with families, or one other household or family.
6 people.
Yeah. So slowly we're starting to get back to a little bit normal. But that's that. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a like, and we'll see you on the next adventure. See you guys.
Gonna be a good day.